In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code and add it to a design using Canva. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To create a QR code, this is a design we created here in Canva. This countdown timer, we are counting down to the new year. And I want to share it so that they can count down with me. I'll quickly click on the share button here and create a public link, create public view link, and I will copy the link. We'll go into file here and create a new design. I'm going to go into social media, Facebook post. From here, I'm going to go into my app, click here, and I'm going to search for QR code. I'm going to pick this first one that is created by Canva. I'm going to quickly paste the link to that design in here. And you have options to customize your background color and your foreground color, and to make the margin of your QR code larger or smaller. I'm just going to leave the settings as is and click on generate code. If you scan this QR code, you're going to be able to see the countdown timer and count down with me to the new year. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.